traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how the market is going to be behaving on the 24th of March 2021. So let's see what is in store for us for Wednesday and where we would need to take our trades. Before we proceed, I want to tell you that we have made another 5% on a day 2. If you want to make similar profits here with us during live trading, then please join us on www.rltrgroup.com and live trade with us. We start our session at 9:15 tomorrow. See you there. So today was the most volatile day in the market. I haven't seen such a huge candle, a 5-minute candle that can actually span from 33,782 till 34,293. So that is a 600-point candle that was made. And then there was a 700-point fall, followed by another 800-point rally. This is an extremely volatile market, guys. Like I told you, whoever survives for the month of March is actually the king. So the kind of candle that it is made here is that, it is trying to build a range over here. So this is going to be the most critical range that I am going to be waiting for when it breaks. So in this range, I will go ahead and keep my targets very minimal. I will be running a hedge position. I will not be taking any naked calls in this particular range. So I want you to follow the same. So the top of this would be 34,386 and the bottom of this would be somewhere around 33,358. So in this particular 1,000 points, I want you to ensure that you are taking very minimal positions and taking hedge positions to protect your capital, because after this consolidation, a breakout on either side will actually give us a rally that we need to be ready for. So if we somehow go ahead and break the high of today, tomorrow, in the first 15-minute, after a 15-minute consolidation, then we can look for an easy target of 34,785 for tomorrow on the upside. And on the downside, I am still going to be optimistic to the fact that if the low of yesterday is broken, or even for today, then we can actually go ahead and take a quick support over here at the bottom, and that would be somewhere around on a 500 points. So 33,095 will be something that we will test if we cross the low for today. Now in between, what is going to happen in here, I'm just not going to bother, because over here this is going to be a complete volatile move over here. Now if I am able to find any price action reversal candles, then I would go ahead and trade them. Apart from that, I don't think I will be interested in making any positional decisions here. So I want all your positions to be on an intraday basis. So with this information, I'll let you guys be for tomorrow, and let's hope that we all make good profits. And just another nutshell over here, we have made another 5% on our capital today. So if you still want to make steady source of income by trading live, then you can join us on www.rltrgroup.com. So with this information, I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. We'll see you tomorrow in another fascinating video. Jai Hind. Take care. Bye-bye.